It does not have a capacitive touchscreen, HD radio, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto, but JVC's KW-V140BT is more than an upgrade to the factory stereo in your 96 Corolla. And for under $200, it's a no-brainer. It gets the job done with all the features that you really need, plus has a few unique ones. This double-din CD receiver features a 6.2-inch clear resistive touch panel with high transparency and high luminance, which provides bright images with vivid colors. The display is not detachable, but features a built-in DVD player and has a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, so all of your movies will look great. And Bluetooth connection just got even easier with this stereo. Simply connect your iPhone or Android device via USB, and the automatic Bluetooth pairing function will work to complete the pairing. Stream all of your favorite songs wirelessly, plus search for songs directly from the radio. HD voice makes calls more easily with improved sound quality Bluetooth voice recognition for more improved accuracy when you get yelled at by your spouse. You can connect 2 phones full time via Bluetooth for calls with secure and simple pairing. Calls to either phone can be received by the push of a key on the head unit. Also, connect up to 5 Bluetooth devices simultaneously for music streaming. A USB cable will charge your smartphone, plus offers music streaming and app control over Spotify, Pandora, and iHeartRadio. The USB connection differs from Bluetooth in that it displays album artwork onto the radio. When it comes to sound quality, JVC's K2 technology reproduces the original master sound to your music by expanding the bitrate and frequency range. Time alignment adjusts the timing of sound output from each speaker, so all the sound arrives at the same time to the listening position. Besides basics like fader and balance position, other audio features include a 13-band graphic EQ with optional presets, volume link EQ, sound response, 3-way crossover settings, and sound lift. Use a USB thumb drive to play stored music, video files, and JPEG images. For audio, it is compatible with MP3, WMA, WAV, AAC, and FLAC files. For video, it plays MPEG-1 and MPEG-2 files. Choose a preset wallpaper or upload your own. The display has only red button illumination. Connections in the back include wiring harness for power ground and speaker, Bluetooth microphone, video output, backup camera, 3 sets of 2.5-volt preamp outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer, and radio antenna. The stereo comes with a Bluetooth microphone, wiring harness, and parking brake extension. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. If you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.